I've been using this for a while na. It's the Glow Code 4-in-1 hair removal cream. It's very painless lang, very convenient and everything. I'll be just leaving this for like 8 to 10 minutes. Then, it comes with a spatula na rin. Hindi ako tinutubuan ng armpit hair. That's why I will be removing my arm hair na lang instead. So, I will be showing you guys. Kasi, so I will be just applying this one lang. Adding it out lang. Or talaga, hindi ako nag-shave. Siguro one of the benefits I receive from shaving my arm hair is like ko and yung body care ko is like mas nag-work siya efficiently. It's like obviously walang hair ganyan. But hindi ko muna siya i-shave just so like you can see the difference. Those are the hairs. This is the before and this is the after. It's really so smooth. I highly suggest this product, guys. So if you want yours, go get yours now. Bye-bye!